Namaste. In this video, we will learn about Hindi alphabet. In Hindi, we call it Varnamala. 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 Hindi language uses the Devanagari script. And in Hindi language, we have 11 vowels and 33 consonants. Hindi is a phonetic language. It means it is written as it is spoken, which makes it easier to learn. In Hindi, we write from left to right, just like we read books and stories. Each letter in Hindi Varnamala has a simple shape with a special line on top. In Hindi language, we start with vowels and then the consonants are arranged in a special order based on how we make sounds in our mouth. Now let's learn how we read them. A, I, O, Ri, E, O, K, K, G, G, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, J, N, T, Th, D, D, N, T, Th, D, D, N, P, F, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. Let's do one more time with English examples. These examples will help you to make the exact sound that we have to make while reading Hindi alphabets. These sounds are highlighted by the red color in the examples. A, I, E, U, Ri, E, O, K, K, G, G, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, J, N, T, Th, D, D, N, T, Th, D, D, N, P, F, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. Don't forget to practice your Hindi alphabets to master Hindi reading and writing. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.